Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing man, the skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. The weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship's aground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle, with Gilligan, the skipper too, the millionaire and his wife, the movie star, the professor and Mary Ann, here on Gilligan's Island.
How you doing today? So, boy, another beautiful build and restoration on our behalf. I love these little ChrisCraft Kiddie ride boats. I've probably done about 3 of these in the last 7 years. They seem to be quite difficult to find. Always looking for them, but they just don't show up that often. I guess people don't want to sell them. So we got in a real nice beginner haul here. And as always, the whole thing comes apart, right? Tip to turn, the boat comes off. All of this aluminum around here, which was riveted on, everything comes off. It's all in the cockpit here. It all goes out for high polish. It stays off the boat. Once we get the boat goes out for any body work, but would be fiberglass work, which was very minimal. Then it's at that point my artists come in and they do a candy apple graining on it, which they do just a beautiful job. And if you notice, we even put planks in it, just like a real mahogany boat would have been done. As well as on the bow, we do a teak wood, okay, another candy apple teak wood. Then we pinstripe it, and it also looks like planking, okay? So when we got this boat, that does not have a bow light or a stern light, which we add. As well as you can see, we did a beautiful black down here. All of the original castings here have been out and been chromed, as well as on the back here, it says Kiddie Boat. This is like a 10. I mean, I can't put another penny in this. These are spectacular, they're beautiful. Interiorly, it's been upholstered and carpeted, very nice job. This ChrisCraft here, we have custom made. So we have a shop that spins those for us. It's metal, it's aluminum, and it's custom made. We downsize it to fit this size of the boat, as well as we put the ChrisCraft logo here on the coin box. Spectacular, spectacular, spectacular. We spent every penny we could put in it because this build deserved it. One of the things that is really cool is in the past, what I did was I put motor boat. They don't come with a music box. I always like to put a music box in a kiddie ride. And I was putting motorboat music, and then we came up with a brilliant idea, and we did something a little different. I think you're gonna like it. Let me play it for you. This is cool.
Parents, please do not leave your child unattended.
That is so cool. We all remember Gilligan's Island. Brings back fond memories. The other thing that we did that the boat did not come is we put a windshield on it. We're now doing windshields on everything that deserves one because it just adds another 5 or 10% to the overall beauty of the project. So we custom built the windshield, put it on here, chrome steering wheel. It's got all the ChrisCraft stuff on it. We've hooked up the lights. It's got bow and stern, which never came with it. Everything's been chrome plated. It's been carpeted. It's been upholstered. The steering wheel's chrome. Everything. Beautiful new rubber down there. All the aluminum is polished. Just a great, great, great piece. So as you all know, if you buy this boat from us, what happens, we send it next door. It gets professionally crated, and it will be delivered either to your place of business or your home. It will be dropped in the garage or the driveway. You will unbox it and put it in place. Whoever gets this, it's spectacular. You're going to love it forever. It's a great asset. The beauty of this stuff is they're assets. They're not just simply spending your money. And as always, make sure that you put us on watch on our YouTube and Instagram channel. You'll be first up. We do sell a lot of stuff before they go to eBay or even go anywhere. So if you see something you like and you want it, you should jump on it before it gets out to the general public. Just an absolutely fabulous boat.
Please do not leave your child unattended.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
Antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.